Existential crisis for the BJP, and they're doing whatever they can to be in public glare.
Full
And
weight
this is
and
one of the protests that they're doing. Yeah, I mean, I'm not surprised. They're in the opposition. If you give an inch, they take a yard. And more importantly, they're not coming forth with any documents saying how they are saying this is a scam. And it has happened during whose tenure? When was these lands allotted? It was during BJP's time. And I would like the BJP to please go ahead and go back and read what their leader, Mr. Yediyurappa ji, had said about Muda.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ವೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
He had written to the speaker about this. Why no action was taken that time? After that, again they came back to power. Why didn't they take action that time? And when they were in power in Muda, what did they do? That means they were in complete know-how of this scam. Then Honorable Chief Minister has already put a halt to this. The Minister for UD has already ordered an investigation into this. These things have happened in the previous government. So if BJP has anything, they should come out in the open. Say these are the documents. This is how the corruption has happened. This is the way it is made. It's a quid pro quo. They're not saying anything. It's just they're shooting in the dark.
So Chief Minister now claims that since he is BC, he is being targeted by the BJP leaders.
Well, it seems like it, right? Whenever Prime Minister, we say anything to Prime Minister, he also said in the Parliament, right? You're targeting me because I'm an OBC. Whatever is a valid document, where are the documents? Where is their valid argument? And we don't see that. Do you see that?
So a lot of chatter about the diversion of SCST supply.
See, again, the BJP don't understand the way SCP TSP funds work. No single rupee has been diverted from the SCP TSP fund to any other category. You cannot divert it. In fact, the previous BJP government, on the floor of the House, agreed that more than 7,000 crores had been diverted. Yes, they had told this on the floor of the House. And even now, we are sticking to our stand and not a single rupee there. If they are so keen, if the Central SCST Commission is so keen, why don't they write to other state governments and to Prime Minister saying, why don't you implement the Karnataka SCP TSP scheme where based on population the budget is allocated? Why can't they write that? They have no business interfering with the way we function, the way we utilize our resources. But the central government has zero business in interfering how we utilize our resources. This money has been earned by the sweat and blood and toil of our people, and it will be used for the welfare of our people. SCST Commission has no business, nor does the central government has any business. If they are really committed for the upliftment of SCSTs, let Mr. Modi announce a similar scheme where, based on population of the SCSTs, they will allocate budget.
But do you think the Congress failed to drive home this point that this is not a diversion one and deemed expedition?
Well, I request your support to do that.
Sir, will Valmiki scam? Nagendra has been detained for
See, the IT, ED, CBI, they're all puppets in the hand of central government. What is new in this? Tell me. It is just matter of time. What happened to all the ministers they arrested? Didn't Supreme Court trap them?
Sir, you are